What's up, geometry? Here we are with 7.2 Pythagorean Theorem Converse. Yesterday we were told that the triangle was a right triangle, and we used Pythagorean Theorem a squared plus b squared equals c squared to solve for the missing side or missing leg or missing hypotenuse there of a right triangle. Today, the converse, we're just going to go in reverse, going to go the opposite way. They're going to have all three sides for you, and if it works in a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then it's a right triangle. And if it doesn't work, we'll look at, will that make it an acute triangle or an obtuse triangle? Okay. So still the same formula, we're just going a different way with it. Let's see here. There we go. Alright. So remember, the biggest number would be for c squared. So we're going to go 24 squared plus 46 squared. Does that equal 51 squared? So 24 squared plus 46 squared. This is going to be 2692. And this is 2601. Not equal. Oop, there you go. Not equal. Not a right triangle. Not a right triangle. Okay? Number two, just looking at it, I can kind of tell already that it's going to be a right triangle because this is a 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple, 3, 4, 5 times 5. Okay? We'll go through the work here. 15 squared plus 20 squared equals 25 squared. So that's going to be 625, and 25 squared is 625. So yes, it is a right triangle. Alright, so that's kind of the main idea here. Putting them in for A, B, and C and checking it out. Alright, if it doesn't work, if they don't equal and the c squared side is smaller, it's acute. If the c squared side is bigger, it'll be obtuse. Okay, that should be easy to remember. If the c squared side is smaller, it's a smaller angle, acute. If the c squared side is bigger, it's going to be a bigger angle, obtuse. Okay, so let's try a few of those. Now, we added another thing here. Can they make a triangle, number one? Okay, that's got to think back to a couple chapters ago. Can these sides even make a triangle? Remember, to make a triangle, the two smallest sides have to add up to be bigger than the biggest side. So 10.5 plus 36, yep, that's going to add up to be more than the biggest side. So these can make a triangle. Alright, let's see what happens here. 10.5 squared plus 36 squared. We got 1,406.25 and 1,406.25. Okay, it equaled, they're the same, so what does that mean? If they equal each other, it's going to be a right triangle. 8 squared plus 21 squared equals 27 squared. We got 505 on the left. 729 on the right, not equal. And the c squared side was bigger. If the c squared side is bigger, that means it is obtuse. Okay, 18 plus 23, that's going to be 41. Alright, so that's going to be bigger than that, so it does make a triangle. Squared plus 23 squared, 853, 25.2 squared, 635.04. Not equal. C squared side is much smaller here. It's going to be an acute triangle. Okay, so there's the three examples, one of each. Alright, that should get you started there. A lot of the problems are going to be like this in the homework today, where you just have to set it up. Just go ahead and write it out, right, so I can see that you're putting the right things in a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's not a whole lot of work to write down, but this is pretty much what I'm looking to see. Could you write it out, okay, and then give me the simplified step, and then tell me what kind of triangle it is. Alright, in 7.2, we got page 438, 1, 3 through 8, and then 12 to 30 even. Alright, there you go. Have fun.